Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The ASP.NET Grid View is a powerful control that allows you to display, sort, and manipulate tabular data in a web application. Below is a tutorial that explains how to use the Grid View control with sorting functionality. Tutorial, using ASP.NET Grid View with sorting. Requirements. Visual Studio, any version that supports ASP.NET. Basic understanding of C and ASP.NET Web Forms. Step 1. Create a new ASP.NET Web application. 1. Open Visual Studio. 2. Create a new project by selecting File, New Project. 3. Choose ASP.NET Web application and name it, example GridView Sorting Demo. 4. Select the Web Forms template and click Create. Step 2. Add a Grid View control. 1. Open default.aspx in the Solution Explorer. 2. Add the following HTML and ASP.NET markup to create a Grid View control. Step 3. Bind data to Grid View. In the code behind File, default.aspx.cs, you will need to create a method to bind data to the Grid View. Here's an example of how to do that. Explanation of code. Get data. This method creates a sample data table with 3 columns, ID, name, and age. Page_load, binds the data to the Grid View when the page is first loaded. Bind grid, binds the data source to the Grid View. Grid View 1_sorting, this event is triggered when a column header is clicked for sorting. It sorts the data either in ascending or descending order based on the column clicked. Get sort direction, this method checks the current sort direction and toggles it when the same column is clicked again. Step 4, run the application. 1. Build and run the application, F5. 2. You will see the Grid View displaying the data. Click on the column headers to sort the data. Conclusion. You have now created a simple ASP.NET Web Forms application with a Grid View control that supports sorting. This example can be expanded upon with features like paging, editing, and deleting rows, but this should give you a solid foundation to start working with grid views in ASP.NET.